In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to stop people from adding you to Telegram groups and channels. If you're tired of being randomly added to Telegram groups and channels without your consent, it's time to take control of your privacy. Unsolicited additions can expose your information to strangers, overwhelm you with spam, and disrupt your peace of mind with unnecessary notifications. To turn off random group additions, simply head to Telegram. Onto your settings page, head to Privacy and Security. You want to scroll down onto this option of invites. If you only want your contacts to have permission to add you to groups and channels, select My Contacts. If you don't want anyone to add you to any group or channel, select Nobody. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.